Damn, cars are too expensive.
Yeah, cars done got high, fool.
What
But
the hell?
long as you get something that's already running, we just
What
gonna
can I
put
put? Can I put a fucking LS motor in that truck?
yeah, but shit, man.
That's what I'm saying,
We need to
bro.
get the man,
What am I supposed to do? What's
man,
the
just get
cheapest way to do it?
the
If I got to
cheapest shit.
spend $8,000 on a car with a blown motor,
No, you
what is
don't,
this?
fool. That's them people that's online don't know how to find shit.
Okay, yeah. Teach me how to find shit. Give me
They
some
don't know
legs,
how
and I'm
to
gonna go do
find
some
shit.
research. Where do I look?
Shit. Offer up Craigslist. We're gonna replay that beat too, y'all. That was a badass beat. How many people
I
still
thought
on
people
here?
got murdered on Craigslist, man.
You thought people got murdered on? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
dude. If
man.
you buy anything from Craigslist, you're gonna die that day, man. There's fucking nothing but murderers on Craigslist. You buy something, they're gonna kill you, dude.
Selling this 1992 Z28
Yeah.
25th anniversary T
Oh, he
tops.
high. He finna be high. 25th anniversary. You need a motherfucker that don't know shit.
It needs work, but straight body, no rust, no bondo. Make me a reasonable offer you think will need to be trailered or traded for
500,
four-wheelers.
motherfucker.
Shoot
500.
me an
That's
offer.
reasonable.
Trade me for four-wheelers. They're in Bastrop, Texas.
Bastrop.
They want four-wheelers for this. Oh, this thing looks like the Stone Vet, bro. I gotta send you this. Oh my god, dude, this is it.
I'm gonna you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna re-edit that video that me and you did, the one that got taken down.
It's got a wing on it, bro.
Man, fuck that wing.
It's built for the Subaru. It's built for me, dude. I know you don't like.
Oh yeah, dude, it's fucking freaking built for me, man. This thing here is badass. Bill approved it.
Wow, don't put him on my fucking name, bro.
Hey, look, check this out. I get to the track. I don't even know what day. It don't matter today. But I get to the track. I'm up there at Yello Belly. They like, yeah, dude. Anytime you want to race your car, Ronnie told me this. He said, anytime you want to race your car, look out. You could just bring it around here to this gate that's in the back here, and we're gonna let you in. I was like, okay, that's cool. He was like, that way when you live streaming and everything, you ain't gotta, be all the way in the way. I was like, okay, that's cool. By the time they didn't thought about it, something smart.
Finally.
And you know what he said after that?
Oh,
They shocked me a little bit.
You're setting me up.
Yeah,
God damn it, look out. What did he say?
I got you. He said, yeah, that's per bill. I was thinking, per bill?
But Bill said that could happen?
I didn't even know he was running nothing. I barely met him the day before I asked him for the shout out. Man, he got powered. Yeah, look out through the back. Damn, you get the job.
Oh, wait, was this a Friday night?
I don't know. It don't matter.
I bet you, because he's doing his thing on Friday nights.
Oh, it might have been.
He's DFW Speed Syndicate.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah.
And I ain't know he was nobody. I ain't on that page.
Well.
Yeah, dude, you could just bring your car. Pull it to the side, dude. We're going to go ahead and take care of it, buddy.
Hey, man, as long as people are treating each other nice and being nice, I don't give a fuck
treat
who
us
does
nice,
it.
man. We don't want any problems.
You deserve respect and to be treated with respect. As long as that's happening.
Oh, my God.
Oh, man. When can we go pick this up? I have a trailer. Did you know that? I got a 2-axle. It's got like 4 tires on it. Is that a 2-axle?
Look at it.
Is that what you call it? A flatbed? I don't know what the words are.
There's more people want stickers than I thought.
Yeah, you give out stickers like crazy. I need to get on that.
I've been passing them stickers out like, you mother.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Look out, mod me so I can put them on timeout. I can't even mod you.
I thought she was asking you to look at her earrings or something.
Let me see. I'll trade my new Edge for a knockback in a heartbeat. Let me see, man. I really need some more beats. I need a beat for Funky Town.
Hey. A tandem trailer. See, I have a trailer and I just need this Camaro. What did you think about that Camaro? You think we can get that guy to trade for my truck?
Hell nah.
No,
They trading a win nowadays.
that is a win. I'm giving him a working truck.
Oh,
He
okay.
wanted a
Yeah, he might
four-wheeler.
do that. Yeah,
I give him a titled vehicle.
Oh yeah, you might win with that. Ooh, you might win. Hey.
But is that the one?
No, I ain't seen it.
I sent you on Facebook.
Okay. Oh, I
sent
see it here.
It's a Facebook marketplace.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's one of them ones too. Oh, that motherfucker there. God damn.
Kind of looks great to me.
Look out.
I don't see anything wrong with it. A little dirty.
You know Limpy. Oh,
Your
wrong with
your
me.
funky tail impersonation is so bad. It's
You trying to buy a Camaro?
Oh, I love it.
I see it got a GBI motor in it. That ain't gonna work for racing.
Oh my god, bro. So is this the car?
This something like it. It got a shifter in it. You
Make me
see
a
that
reasonable
shifter? It got a tack in it too.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Look out.
Somebody's been racing this thing.
You say the stone bed needed.
Are you show it to him?
I don't know how to. Let me see if I can. Hold on, y'all.
Can you screen share?
Yeah, I can screen share. Here it comes. Boom. Open that up.
Ask him if this is you got a deep well of knowledge in your chat, man. You got a bunch of car experts in here.
Yeah. Hey,
You can
I
ask
got
them.
the car expert. Yeah, they sitting up in here.
Mm.
I'm pulling up and smoking their weed. My people, they drinking the beer.
Okay.
Son, I'm drinking the liquor. Son, I'm calling people. Ooh.
Oh man.
Okay. Here go that car he was talking about.
I'm gonna buy you some studio
yeah,
time for your birthday. Once I have money.
Hey.
That's me my investment
They
to
don't give
look
a
out
damn about that
records.
car. Oh, you ain't gonna go far. Probably gotta pick it up far.
No, that's in Texas, man. That's an easy.
Okay.
It's a day trip.
Well, I mean, this might be a good car, man. This might be something good for you. Tune port. I mean, you're gonna make a carburetor either way it goes. It's gonna have to be a carburetor. You got the T-top.